Hello friends, welcome back to my channel after a long time. Today I want to talk about something that I've been contemplating for a while. Why I won't buy a flip phone again. Now I know they have their charm, but there are some practical reasons that have kept me away. So let's dive right in. First off, flip phones are delicate creatures. They tend to break easily if you accidentally sit or sleep on them, which let's be honest happens more often than we would like to admit. Another issue I have encountered is the sharp edge near the crease. Now, this is specific to the Flip 4 I'm using as an illustration. I like scrolling on my phone from the edge of the phone, and this edge can really hurt your fingers after prolonged use. Now, your mileage may vary with other phone models, but this is specific to a Flip from Samsung phones. Now, the third reason, now let's talk about the external screen. It's so small that most of the time it just doesn't make any sense. Trying to navigate and read information on such a tiny display can be quite frustrating. Oh, and don't get me even started on the rubbery screen protector. It's a magnet for fingerprints, and no matter how much you clean it, it leaves behind annoying wipe marks that make your phone look messy. And then there's the battery life. Let's face it, flip phones don't really shine in this department. The battery life is often horrible, which means you have to constantly worrying about finding a charger or a wireless charger around to recharge your phone repeatedly throughout the day. Now in this flip 4, the button positions on flip phones is quite puzzling to me. Having them on either side of the phone would have been a more logical choice for comfortable use. But Samsung has decided to crowd all the switches on the right side of the phone. Lastly, after considering all these factors, I just can't see myself investing in a flip phone again in the near future. While they have their nostalgic appeal, the practicality and user experience are major concerns for me. I hope you found these reasons insightful. If you have any thoughts on flip phones or if you have had similar experiences, I would love to hear from you in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay tech savvy and take care. Bye.